Water quenching process. Water quenching is a standard method used in metalworking to cool quickly and achieve the desired hardness. It involves immersing hot metals into cold water or other fluids, allowing them to cool much faster than air cooling. Water quenching. Water quenching type. There are generally two categories that materials fall into. 1. Low-carbon steel can be cooled using plain water. 2. Special liquids must be used for higher alloyed materials. These liquids vary in composition based on what material is being cooled, for examples include brines, salt solutions. Water quenching process. The process of water quenching is as follows. 1. It begins by fully austenitizing the material, depending on the grade of material. 2. It is held for a time commensurate with the part cross-section. 3. This step can be done using a carbon-controlled protective atmosphere to prevent decarburization and the formation of scale as required. 4. The load is then quenched in agitated water to produce a fully hardened martensitic microstructure. 5. After the quench, the parts are tempered down to the specified hardness. Advantages of water quenching. 1. Water quenching is a faster process than air cooling, so it can save time during the heat treating process. 2. Water quenching can help to prevent distortion and to crack that can occur with air cooling. 3. Water quenching can help to improve the hardness and strength of the metal. 4. Water quenching can help to increase the wear resistance of the metal. 5. Water quenching can help to improve the corrosion resistance of the metal. For detail, please visit my YouTube channel and please subscribe.